Hi, I'm Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. This is our student Chitrika. She got placed in a company. She's going to share the experience about PySpiders.
I joined in QS. My name is Chitrika. My stream is Electronics and Communication BE. Completed in 2024, passed out, and now I joined in PySpiders in March 2025, and it is intern QA the job. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Okay. How was the training and how bootcamp mock interview were helpful to clear the interview?
It is very helpful for grooming. It's very helpful for clear the interviews, and presentation in bootcamp is very helpful for me. And also now I am joining in QSpiders. I am very agitated to answering the way of answering. After I joining QSpider, I learned so many things in this.
Okay. I wish you all the best for further.